Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about more stylish and beautiful trendy crochet table cover designs. New designs, new ideas, new color combination contrasts, stylish shapes, beautiful designing ideas, round, large, beautiful designing ideas, square patterns you can see in this my video. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoying the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of beautiful and trendy crochet table cover design. Latest uploading ideas you can see in this my video. Those ladies who love such type of crochet table cover designs, beautiful patterns you can see in this my video. You can visit my channel and see more collection about crochet, about women fashion, about baby fashion, about home accessories. You can see also beautiful table runners. If you want to buy these very beautiful crochet table cover designs, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, ETSY.com and Amazon. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. Give the feedback in the comment section about my collection. How was the video and how was the designs of beautiful and trendy crochet table cover designs, beautiful flower patterns you can see also, new and trendy designing ideas you can see in this my video, best top designs and ideas. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.